This is the whole secret to getting better chicken wings than at KFC. I'll put 500 milliliters of water in a pan and set it aside. Now I'm going to cut up 600 grams of chicken wings like this. If you want to keep receiving our recipes every day, don't forget to interact with this video, so you don't miss out on any recipes. I'm going to put the chicken wings in the pan with the water. Make this recipe at home and come back and let us know how it turned out. When the water boils, remove the chicken wings. Put 3 tablespoons of butter in a frying pan. When the butter has melted, add the chicken wings. Fry until golden brown. Add a teaspoon of salt. Black pepper to taste. A teaspoon of paprika. Spread the spices well throughout the pan. Take the time to tell me which city you're watching us from, so I can thank you and send you a hug. In a bowl, add 2 cloves of crushed garlic, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, a tablespoon of mustard, a tablespoon of honey, 20 milliliters lemon juice, 50 milliliters soy sauce. Mix these seasonings very well. Don't forget to rate this recipe from 0 to 10 at the end of this video. That way I'll know how much you liked it. Pour this sauce over the chicken wings and spread it well. Let them cook for 20 minutes. This recipe will surprise you, it's very delicious and easy to prepare at home. I've added a little parsley to taste, but it's optional. Now I'm going to enjoy this incredible recipe. Thanks for watching, see you next time and enjoy.